Type your text. Go to Type. Create outlines. Right-click on the text and ungroup it. Right-click on the text and select Release Compound Path. If the letter has an opening, you delete this. Double-click on the rectangular grid. I use a 15 by 15 grid. Create a square grid. Pick a stroke color. I use a stroke weight of 2. Use the selection tool. Press Alt and drag the grid to duplicate it. Do this for the amount of letters you have. Select the letters. Go to Object. Arrange. Bring to front. Select the first grid and the first letter. Go to Object. Envelope Distort. Make with top object. Repeat this for the rest of the letters. Select all the letters to resize and move them. And that's how you create this effect.